Are you ready for a gaming experience where cheating is virtually impossible? The integration of AI in video games is set to change the landscape forever, but it raises a crucial question. Will this lead to a fairer playing field, or will it make cheating even harder to detect? AI has been a part of gaming for decades, from the earliest NPCs to the complex adaptive enemies we face today. However, recent advancements in machine learning and neural networks have catapulted AI to new heights, ushering in a paradigm shift that will revolutionize the way we play and interact with video games. This AI revolution promises to transform every aspect of gaming, from cheat detection and prevention to the creation of more immersive, responsive worlds and characters. But as we stand on the precipice of this new era, we must ask, will AI be the great equalizer, ensuring a level playing field for all gamers, or will it simply create new avenues for cheaters to exploit? Will it enhance our single-player experiences with more engaging, lifelike NPCs, or will it render human ingenuity obsolete in the face of machine learning? In this video, we'll explore the implications of AI's exponential growth within the gaming industry, examining its potential to redefine what we thought was possible and the challenges we may face as this technology evolves. AI and cheating, a new frontier? As the AI revolution sweeps through the gaming industry, one of the most pressing concerns is the battle against cheating. With the rise of competitive gaming and the allure of lucrative prizes, some players are tempted to gain an unfair advantage using cheats like aimbots and trigger bots. But AI is stepping up to the plate, armed with advanced tools to detect and prevent cheating like never before. Recent studies have shown that AI can identify cheaters with incredible accuracy by analyzing player behavior rather than just in-game data. Convolutional neural networks, for example, can spot aimbots and trigger bots with over 98% accuracy by looking at how players use their keyboard and mouse. This means that even if a cheater tries to hide their tracks within the game, their real-world actions can still give them away. Other AI techniques like decision trees and support vector machines, SVMs, are also proving effective in the fight against cheating. By training on data from both honest players and known cheaters, these algorithms can learn to spot the telltale signs of cheating behavior. And because they look at multiple factors like mouse movements and keystroke patterns, they're much harder to fool than traditional anti-cheat systems. But can AI put an end to cheating once and for all? Experts say it's an ongoing battle, with cheaters constantly looking for new ways to outsmart the system. As one exploit is detected and blocked, another one pops up to take its place. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, with AI as the ever-watchful eye trying to keep things fair. Still, the future looks bright for AI-powered cheat detection. As more data is collected and algorithms become even smarter, it will get harder and harder for cheaters to stay ahead of the curve. Games like Counter-Strike are already seeing the benefits, with AI helping to keep matches clean and competitive. It's a powerful tool in the arsenal against cheating, and one that could help restore trust in the gaming community. But AI isn't just about catching cheaters, it's also transforming the very nature of gaming itself. What if your favorite game could learn from your playstyle, adapting its challenges and storylines to keep you hooked? Redefining gameplay, AI's role in single-player and immersion. Single-player games are having a major comeback thanks to AI. Developers are using AI to create enemies and characters that can learn and adapt to your playstyle. This means that every time you play, the game will feel different and fresh. Let's say you're playing a first-person shooter. Usually the bad guys just run at you, guns blazing. But with AI, they can actually study your moves. Do you like to sneak around and take them out quietly? They'll start searching for you more carefully. Do you prefer to go in loud and fast? They'll set up ambushes and try to flank you. This kind of smart gameplay isn't just for shooters, though. Even in adventure games or RPGs, AI can be used to make the world feel more alive. NPCs, non-player characters, can have their own routines and personalities. They might remember things you've said to them or favors you've done. The choices you make can truly change the story. And it's not just about smarter enemies or characters. AI is also being used to create game worlds that look and feel more real than ever. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Meta are using AI to automatically generate realistic environments and effects. This means you could explore a dense jungle or a sprawling city, and every leaf or building would be unique. AI can also tweak the game just for you. By watching how you play, it can figure out what you like and don't like. Maybe you prefer puzzles over combat, or you get stuck on certain types of challenges. The game could subtly change itself to give you more of what you enjoy, and less of what frustrates you. Now, all of this might sound like it takes control away from the game designers, but really it lets them focus on the big ideas and the overall feel they want to create. The AI handles a lot of the small details and the moment-to-moment gameplay. It's like giving an artist a smart brush that helps them paint their masterpiece. Of course, there are some worries that AI might make games feel a little too perfectly tailored. Part of the fun can be overcoming challenges that feel impossible at first, and we don't want every game to turn into a bland AI-generated mush. But when used well, AI has the potential to make single-player games deeper and more engaging than they've ever been. So the next time you fire up a new title, take a moment to appreciate all the clever AI that's working behind the scenes. It's not just the fancy graphics or the big explosions. It's those little moments when the game seems to be thinking, reacting, and creating just for you. That's the magic of AI in gaming. What lies ahead in the AI-infused gaming era? The AI revolution in gaming is just getting started. As we've seen, AI is already making huge strides in catching cheaters and creating games that feel like they were made just for you. But this is only the beginning. In the coming years, AI will keep getting smarter and more creative. We might see games that can generate entire worlds on the fly, with unique quests and characters tailored to your playstyle. Or maybe AI will help design games that adapt to your skill level, so you always feel challenged but never frustrated. Of course, as AI gets better at making games, cheaters will also get craftier. It's an endless back and forth, with each side trying to outsmart the other. But one thing's for sure, AI is here to stay, and it's going to keep shaking up the gaming world in ways we can't even imagine yet. So what do you think? Have you noticed AI changing the games you play? Do you think it will make gaming better? Or are you worried about what might happen as AI gets more advanced? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how AI is transforming other industries, check out our video on AI and quantum computing. It's a wild ride, but it'll give you a glimpse of the crazy sci-fi world that might be just around the corner.